Hi everyone, this is Richa from How to SketchUp. Today I will teach you how to add a background to your images on SketchUp. It's actually pretty simple. The first thing you need to do is go on Window, go to Styles, and then you can change the style to what we call a watermark. Let me explain how this works. First, you select the style that is used on your SketchUp file. Depending on the SketchUp file, the style is different. I will go on Edit, and here you can see I can change the background. Here the background is the sky and the ground. I can change the color of the sky. So here you can change it, for example, to gray color. I can also deactivate the sky and ground and add only a background color. In this case, I will just add a color to the ground and I will deactivate the sky. Now we're going to go on to the watermark right here and click on the plus icon, which takes me to my files. I select the image, and in this case it's a blue sky. Click on open, and it's called watermark. I'm going to check on the background. Next. You don't have to change anything here. If I want to merge it a little bit, I can change the opacity just here, and then I can choose how to display the watermark. I can do it as stretched, tiled, or position it in the window. Here's how it looks when it's tiled, and I'm going to go for the stretched for today's example. I can also toggle on the log aspect ratio, and there you go. You have an image in the background. A good thing that you can do is you can also go onto the settings and change a few things, such as choose the position, then you can choose the scale to make it bigger or smaller to cover the screen. And just like that, you have the background added onto your SketchUp file. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips on SketchUp.